Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to send message on WhatsApp without save this number, cause sometimes we need to send message with unknown number. That's why we don't want to save this number. So friend, before starting the video, I will ask you something that till if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get this types of video. Now let's jump in the process. I'm gonna open my phone dialer. Suppose I want to send WhatsApp message without saving on this number. What you need to do, just copy this number and get back from here. Now open your WhatsApp application. After that, here below tap on this message icon and you will see here a search option. Tap on that. Now paste here copied number. Tap here for 2 seconds and click on paste. Finally here you will see a chat option. Tap on that option. Now you can easily chat with this person without saving this number. So friend, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.